Today we're doing an unboxing. One of the great things about Amazon is that no matter where we land in the RV, Amazon follows us. Almost all of the campgrounds that we go to accept packages. It's the US mail that becomes a problem. So the smaller package, sometimes Amazon does uh, ship USPS, but most of the time we can have all our essentials shipped via Amazon, which is one of the things I love about using Amazon Prime. So everything that I'm packing today, I will be doing a full review. Let's see what's inside the box, and I'm going to start doing an unboxing every time I get a shipment from Amazon, and then I'll do a review in a separate video, and you'll just see just how often I'm shopping or we are shopping at Amazon. It is our go-to. It's one of the things that we rely on when you don't know exactly what type of grocery store you're going to find in the locations that we're at. Knowing Amazon is always there is actually one of the nice luxuries that we have. So yeah, there are some impulse buys, but there's always something that we need or we need to replace or we need to update. So today I'm going to unbox. We have a premium Ninja wood fire accessories for our new wood fire grill outside. So I'll be reviewing the grill and I'm going to review the cover as well after I use it a little bit. I also bought an additional crisper basket so that way I can cook two different things at one time, which seemed really cool. So it seems like everything in this box today is all related to our new grill. So the great thing about it is I will actually do a cooking demo one of these days after I get used to. And then the last thing, this was actually a Prime special. It's the complete electric smoker cookbook. I love cookbooks. I read them almost like regular everyday books, and I'm really super excited to try this one out, try some new recipes, and share some with you. And we'll do a cooking live right here on our channel. So that's it for today. That's my haul. I am expecting a couple more things this week. So we'll see you on the next video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my honest reviews and see what's going on in our neck of the woods. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.